Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. One of my subscribers, Chandu Aarush, recently asked me, how is the image moving like this? Well, Chandu, this video is for you, and I'll show you how to create this effect using Canva Pro. If you're creating quiz videos or any other type of animated content, this tutorial is going to be super helpful. And guys, if you have any questions or face challenges while creating your videos, feel free to drop a comment. I'll try my best to help. Let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's hit a target of 100 likes for this video. First, log into Canva and create a new project. Select a 1080p video template for high-quality output. To make your design visually appealing, choose a nice background. For this tutorial, I'll use a spiral design. You can pick whatever suits your style. Next, add a frame to your design. To make it more attractive, add a rounding effect and a border to the frame. Drag and drop an image into the frame. Let's use a dog picture for this example. Click on the frame and go to the Animate section. First, apply the pop animation effect. Adjust the speed to slow it down for a smoother look. Now, scroll down in the Animate section until you find the wiggle effect. Select it, then adjust the intensity to control how much the image wiggles. For a more subtle effect, decrease the intensity. Let's hit the play button to preview our animated design. If you're happy with how it looks, you're all set. The wiggle effect in Canva Pro adds a fun, dynamic movement to your images, making your videos more engaging and professional. It's perfect for quiz videos, creative presentations, and other animated content. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and learned how to use Canva's wiggle effect to make your images come to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. Thanks again, Chandu Aarush, for your question. And to everyone else, keep your questions coming. See you in the next video.